The following program is paid for by the Griffin Law Firm.
If you've been involved in a car accident or you've been injured on your job, how can you make sure you get the compensation you deserve, the money you need to pay your bills? You need inside information. You need good information. You need Payne Law. To get that information, to get that inside track, Payne Law starts now. Welcome to Payne Law. I'm Mo Ivory. Thank you so much for joining us. You're about to get a lot of information that you really need. Let me introduce you to the founder of Payne Law, attorney Richard Griffin. How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Thank you so much for allowing me to host. I'm so excited about this because as an attorney myself, I feel that this information is so important to get out to the public. So just tell me about Payne Law and what obviously the practice areas are so important for people to understand.
Well, we do personal injury, we do wrongful death, we do workers' compensation, and we do Social Security disability. So it's all kind of injury related. Wrongful death typically will come from, tragically, from a car accident where a loved one passes away. Personal injury also can be dog bites, it can be slip and falls, it can be car accidents, anytime where there's someone negligent that causes an injury to someone else. Workers' comp is going to be if you're injured on the job. And Social Security disability is going to be if you're disabled by any injury or illness that keeps you from being able to work.
Well, you have a fabulous slogan for your company, all about the people and the results. Good people, great results. Why is that important to you?
Well, a lot of people have had bad experiences with attorneys, and if they have, then we have to make sure we deliver the best possible customer service. So when I came up with Good People, Great Results, basically I figured out that we needed to have good, honest, hardworking people who give the best possible customer service, and most importantly, we've got to deliver the great results.
And customer service has to be so important when a person is in a bad situation and they're coming to you for relief. I mean, talk to me about that kind of customer service. Do you lay it all out, the red carpet for your clients? Because that must be why people would want to use one firm over another.
Right. Well, we do. We have, first of all, we make it where when you call in, you get to talk to, an attorney or the intake department immediately. We also have a client liaison, and that client liaison is going to be there as another support. It's a former pastor of mine, actually, and it just seems to be so good to have someone who's that compassionate. In fact, I'd love for us to hear from Clay Bowden himself on a video so you can see for yourself, learn more about the position and about Clay.
The client care liaison at the Griffin Law Firm is not another level of bureaucracy that a person has to go through in dealing with the law firm. It really is an opportunity for clients to have personal attention. And the client care liaison position does service some practical aspects of servicing clients' needs, but the client care liaison position is a position that affords the client a deeper level of individual care and attention. It's a position that is available to the client both by the call of the client care liaison or by the call of the client to the client care liaison, just to talk, to provide a listening ear, a caring presence, and not dealing with the case as much as the person.
Well, Clay is so comforting. I almost just want to talk to him about anything, but that must be fabulous for your clients to have him. But another great feature is all the information you have on your website.
That's right. Well, the website's going to give them all the information they need about the specific practice area that's important to them. It's going to have a lot of information about the law, about the process, the claims process, and about the law firm, so they can really get a feel for us. One of the things you can do there is you can go to the How Do You Decide button. And with that button, you can read about the client reviews, where our real clients, in their own words, describe how happy they were with our representation. You can also find out about the firm awards to find out how the legal community has recognized our representation and our ethics. And lastly, the settlements and verdicts, because that's where the rubber meets the road in the Good People, Great Results, is are we delivering those great results?
Sure, and you can do that at 877paynelaw.com. Visit the website right there. So You want to maximize the return for your client, maximize their ability to get the compensation that they deserve. And so customer service is just all about that. So tell us about how you use that in order to maximize the results.
Well, one of the things you're going to get at the Griffin Law Firm is you're going to get to talk to me and my attorneys. And that means that we're going to answer those questions and concerns that you have that are important to you. So you can relax. You can let us handle it for you to make sure you get the result that you need. Another thing is that we have a team approach. We have a case manager assigned, we have the client liaison, and you have the attorney. So there's always someone there. You don't just get a voicemail, you get a live person.
That's wonderful. It's 877-PAIN-LAW, the phone number, and 877painlaw.com. And we'll be right back right here on Pain Law. I'm Mo Ivory, and this is attorney Richard Griffin for Pain Law.
I'm attorney Richard Griffin, the legal expert and co-host of the Pain Law Show. How much is my case worth? This is the #1 question asked by people injured at work or in a car accident. Now you can find out for yourself by using our new settlement calculator at 877painlaw.com. Now, knowing the projected settlement value gives you a goal. Hiring our experienced injury attorneys will help you get there. Call the Griffin Law Firm today at 877-PAIN-LAW or visit us at 877painlaw.com to find out how we can make all the difference in your case. After a car accident, you're faced with many difficult decisions. How can you get the medical treatment or even surgery you need? 877-PAIN-LAW can help. How can you pay your bills when you're too injured to work? 877-PAIN-LAW can help. How can you get the settlement that you need and deserve? 877-PAIN-LAW is the answer. I'm attorney Richard Griffin of the Griffin Law Firm. Call me right now at 877-PAIN-LAW so I can talk to you personally and explain how we can make all the difference in your case.